me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can apply text to speech to the text template in the CapCut PC. So here's how you can do that. So first, just go to the text menu at the top and then click on the text template tab. Choose the text template that you want to use to your edits. For example, okay, I'm going to use this one. Download it first and click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. Okay. Okay, so I've already choose this text template. Okay, so to be able to apply the text to speech, you just need to click on the text template here, and here click on the text to speech feature, and then just choose the type of speech or voice that you want to apply to the text template. So for example, I'm going to add the good guy voice. Click on that.
In the dream world.
So it will be added just like that.
In the dream world. In the dream world. In the dream world. In the dream world. In the dream.
In the dream world.
To apply it. And you can see now it has
In the
been
dream
added.
world.
Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.